I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 3 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something you do at a party, and I'm going with dance, a fruit, I've got these little tiny grapes, anything winter, I've got this photo, or digital, any lines, I've got this paper that's got the lines, a shoe, I've got this little ad, and our bonus is a ticket stub of any kind. So those are my items. I hope y'all are all doing great. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP3. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished collage. I've got something you do at a party, which is dance, a fruit, I've got my grapes, anything winter, I've got this scene right here, lines, I've got this, a shoe, I've got all of these shoes, and the bonus is a ticket stub of any kind. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP3. And I hope y'all have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.